To install the T-harness, all we have to remove is the steering column cover. Start by turning on the vehicle so we can turn the steering wheel freely. Turn the steering wheel to the right and remove the screw. Turn the steering wheel to the left and remove the other screw. Insert your pry tool and give a little twist to disconnect the upper half of the steering column cover. There are 3 screws you need to remove. Pull down the lever and remove the steering column cover. We now have access to the 2 vehicle connectors we will be connecting our T-harness to. Squeeze the tabs and release the connector's locking mechanism. Disconnect the connector from the vehicle. Connect the T-harness to the connector. Connect the T-harness back to the vehicle. Disconnect from the vehicle the other connector by pressing the tabs. Please note, the color of the connector in your vehicle may not be green. Connect the T-harness to the vehicle's connector. Connect the T-harness back to the vehicle. Route the wires through the opening. In some vehicles, you may have a bit of trouble putting back the steering column cover. In the Honda Pilot, put the connectors on the right like you see in this picture and you won't have any trouble getting the steering column cover back on.